In any laboratory, the workstation is at the center of daily operations. That's why Kalstein offers a robust, functional, and modular steel laboratory workbench designed to meet the demands of modern scientific environments. The work surface is made of chemical-resistant phenolic resin with a 12.7 millimeter thickness and reinforced 25 millimeter edges, providing excellent resistance to strong acids, alkalis, and corrosion. The structure is built on a steel frame coated with epoxy resin powder, cured at high temperature to ensure strong adhesion, scratch resistance, and long-lasting anti-corrosion protection. The cabinets are made from 1 millimeter thick, cold-rolled steel, ensuring durability and stability. For comfortable daily use, the workbench includes a 3-section silent sliding drawer system, high-quality full-opening hinges, and glossy stainless steel handles. It is also equipped with high-strength, adjustable feet designed to resist corrosion and provide excellent stability. For applications requiring high precision, the workbench can include an 18 millimeter marble surface with a vibration-absorbing design, ideal for balances and sensitive measuring equipment. A 3-stage damping system ensures maximum precision down to 1/1,000,000th. One of the main advantages of this system is its flexibility. It can be used as a complete combination of modules, or each section can be installed and used individually, depending on the layout and management of your laboratory. To further enhance functionality, Kalstein also offers a range of optional workbench accessories, including drip racks, PP or stainless steel sinks and faucets, reagent racks, power sockets, gas taps, and eye wash stations. Manufactured from high-density polypropylene and stainless steel, these accessories help improve efficiency, safety, and organization in your laboratory workspace. Kalstein, reliable solutions for today's and tomorrow's laboratories.